Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Tech Bunch. My name is Shubham Giri, and in this video I'll be talking to you guys about one of the pretty famous and easy platform which is called SolutionInn. So all you have to do out here is fill out a simple application for yourself and become an instructor, get paid for your job. So it's pretty easy to get started out here. All you need to do is create an account here. Here you'll get like different questions from students, and all you have to do is place your bid on those questions to solve that question. And once you are done solving the question, you'll get your required amount. You don't need to give any test to get qualified as an instructor. So that's the best part about this website. All you need to do is create an account and you are good to go with the bidding process. So in this video, I'll tell you guys how you can get started on SolutionInn. So once you're here, simply click on register. I'll give you the links in the description below, so you don't need to worry about it. And click on join. And once you're here, all you have to do is fill out your basic details. Give yourself a profile picture. Did you find us? Save and continue. So go ahead and fill out all these details. And once you're done with that, go ahead and fill out your educational details. And once you have added your education, click on save and continue. So if you have any certificates or any other professional details, you can fill out those as well. So go ahead and select your skills or your area of expertise. On save and continue once you're done with that. And also make sure you go to your Gmail account or the account that you have used to sign up here and click on the confirmation mail. That will tell them that you have confirmed your email. So upload your document. So once you're done with uploading all these documents, make sure it's genuine. Document could be your degree, could be your student ID card or experience certificate if you have any. Also make sure you upload your selfie with the document that you have uploaded. In my case, I've uploaded the passport, so I'll upload my picture along holding the passport. Make sure you don't miss out on that. Simply click on save and continue. And next step would be your interests, hobbies, and your teaching experience, what you like to teach, what is your teaching approach. Click on save and finish. That's the best part. You're done with the background check. Now all you have to do is verify your email that you'll get in your Gmail account. And once you're done with that, you'll see all the newly posted questions in your area of expertise. And all you have to do is select the question that you are comfortable with. Click on that. And you can lock an answer now. And it's pretty much global or international. So that's SolutionInn for you. It's pretty easy to get started. And once you're done with the answer, click on review and submit and you are done. If you like the video, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Never miss an update. So in my next video, I'll be coming with different platform to make more passive income. So thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.